Welcome to this breaking news gig. We have just heard reports that you can get your very own breaking news video in HD right here exclusively on Fiverr. People are going crazy, and it seems panic is taking over. It is advised that you order this gig while you still can. Please review the description below, the package is available, and send your script. Stay tuned as we will keep you updated on the situation.
A breaking news promotional video is a unique and eye-catching way to captivate your audience and make your business, product or services stand out from the competition. Joining me now are Pete and Ali, my international correspondents. Guys, welcome.
Thank you, Seb. And yes, a joint venture the likes of which has never been seen before. Buyers now have the ability to create a dynamic breaking news video incorporating 3 outstanding presenters. Allie, can you tell us more about how this works?
Thank you, Pete. Buyers simply submit their script outlining each presenter's part along with any images or clips to be added, and we can get started. A range of other extras are available below.
Thank you, guys. This really is a truly exciting joint venture. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to reporting on your story exclusively on Fiverr.
Millions of cell phone users are suffering in silence with 5G syndrome, shaking and twisting and having fits. You've seen the twitch.
Said gets too close to these antennas. They act as an open microwave and can cause eye damage, sterility, and cognitive damages.
What we're going to go do is I'm going to show you the invisible footprint of these potentially hazardous areas that workers don't see.
Drew Fountain has a $20,000 meter that measures the RF frequency. An RF frequency over 20% can injure people. Over 100% can burn someone. A $20,000 meter that
Okay, I'm taking one for the team. I've heard that you can't get near a 5G tower without getting burns or scars, getting headaches, or start vomiting. So I'm here. I could literally throw a rock at this 5G tower. Now there is a sign. It says don't come any further. But as you can see, I don't have hazmat suit. And this one's pretty low, lower than the ones that I seen in the video. This is my EMF. I put it on airplane mode. That way the phone won't interfere with the readings that I'm getting. Just like I was telling everybody, it dissipates before it hits the ground. The higher I go, okay. Alright, that's enough of that. So here I am at home. I just turned on the modem. So let's get a reading of this modem and see what it does. Oh. What? Oh. It almost hit the same number of the 5G tower. Does that mean there's radiation in the house? Damn, y'all. We got radiation in the house. Alright, so we did the 5G tower and we did a modem. Now I'm going to try the cell phone next to your ear. Wow. You can't see it on screen, but you hear that? That's worse than being next to a 5G tower. You see that? Radiation.